This is a story that could have gone many ways. But Tamara Blake stepped in and turned an unfortunate tale into a real-life happy ending. On February 5, 2019, through her vigilant and intuitive actions, Miss Blake averted the unlawful registration of birth of a stolen infant, and as a result, he was returned to his rightful parents. She is referred to as the lawyer in the family. She admits too to having an inquisitive mind.
I've been a practicing investigator since I was a child, so I guess it is just playing out on the job.
When the now convicted woman sat beside her and began sharing a story of why the baby she held in her arms was unregistered, she simply said, "This no add up."
I think the whole thing was just divinely orchestrated because I was not supposed to be at this location on the given day. I was advertising for my colleague who was not at work, and it so happened that Miss French turned up for registration of the infant, and as a result of her coming to do the registration, not providing the information adequately that was required, it raised a few red flags, and the rest of it is history. Well, I'm just happy that, the family has been reunited. I'm happy to know that I could have played a part.
Some say the guilty woman met the wrong birth registrar. Miss Blake is a passionate government worker who takes her job seriously.
I am a public sector worker, a proud public sector worker. I started working March of 2004, at which point I was a customer service representative, and then I was promoted to administrative assistant, and then I was in the midst of administrative assistant / supervisor for different departments. And then I am currently a registration officer. I'm the person responsible for ensuring that all births that occurs within the hospital ambit is registered. I look forward to coming to work every day. I love my job. Yes, I do. Well, a lot of persons come to the RGD thinking that when you come, you're going to be getting a hard time, whether it's for birth or death registration. That's what I can speak to. That's my portfolio. And when you leave, with a smile, or when you're going to say, "What, you finished already?" That gives me a oomph, because when the customer is happy, that makes me extremely happy. I say to the persons who are out there who are of the thought process that it's okay to come to RGD and mislead the workers there into thinking that, this baby is not registered, or in whatever scenario there is, please desist from doing so. Because the more you step out in doing these things, is the more stringent the measures are going to be, because we are eradicating and we are mitigating these acts. And I want Jamaica to help me to fight against the crime of abduction of our children. I want Jamaica to help me to make sure that babies are not missing. We don't lose our babies to abduction.
For now, she turns her attention to National Heroes Day, getting ready to gracefully accept the Badge of Honor for Gallantry, for an act of courage and bravery in identifying and reporting the registration of birth of a stolen infant. She is one of only 3 persons receiving the honor this year.
I am still in disbelief at this moment, because it's not something that I was looking forward to. Didn't do what I do because I wanted to be rewarded. I am looking forward to getting my steps right. To collect an award, not for myself, but to be collecting this award of gallantry on behalf of the agency, on behalf of the nation. The world has been looking on, and this is just putting the icing on the cake to say, okay, it has happened. So I'm very happy to be the recipient to collect the award on behalf of the agency.